Hello friends, students. I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to discuss one topic. The name of the topic is here in front of you. That is, how do we divide a polynomial by a monomial? Let's learn the meaning of these two words first of all. One word we are going to learn about polynomial, and the second one is monomial. As the word says, poly means here many. Poly means many, and nomials mean you can say terms. So we can say polynomial is nothing but it's a combination of many terms, or we can say if we combine many terms that become a polynomial. Here don't get confused by this word terms. You can replace this term by monomial. Monomial. Now, what is this polynomial means? The polynomial means here a combination of many monomial, or an expression involving many monomial. Let's see what is the meaning of monomial here. Mono is made by two words, mono and nomials. Mono means single. So if there is only one term, that is called monomial. For example, if I take 5, 1, x square minus 5x, or any kind of term having only single thing. But be very careful. The power of these monomial should not be negative number. It can be any whole number. For example, 5 is equal to 5 times x power 0, isn't it? So this 5 is a monomial. This x square is also a monomial. Why? Because the power is here positive. Fine, that's okay. Can you say 1 is a monomial? Yes. Why? Because 1 can be written as 1 times 1, or you can write 1 times x power 0. It means I can say 1 is a monomial having degree 0. If you want to learn about degree of a polynomial and all, you can check one more video. It is there in the channel. That's about basics of polynomial. The name of the video is Basics of Polynomial. Let's move, my dear, to the next slide. What we have? Okay, the question is here, simplify the expression. And what is that? This is a polynomial, and we are gonna divide that polynomial by this monomial. How can we do that? Let's see. Minus 50 times y times y over 4 times y. 1 y get cancelled. This 4 and 50 can get cancelled by 2. Why? Because 50 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So the final answer you can write like this. Or better, if you want to don't write this in fraction form, you can divide 25 over 2 and you will get 12.5y. That's a final answer, my dear. Let's move to the next question. Now again we have a polynomial having two terms or two monomials. One monomial is this and second monomial is that. And I want to divide this whole polynomial by a monomial. Remember, the concept name is how do we divide a polynomial by a monomial. So how to divide it? Same method. We can take these monomial separately in this way. If you simplify the first one, this part, we will get 3 times y. How? Because 2 cancels 6 by 3 and 2 times 1 is 2. And this is y square, y times y over y. Y times y over y, I will get only y. I wrote it here. What about this? This 2 to get cancelled. We have 1 over y. So the final answer for this question is 3 times y, 1 over y. Or if you want to write this answer in this form, that is also fine. 1 times y power minus 1. Both are correct. This is correct answer. That is as well. 3y positive y power negative 1. This is correct answer. That is 2. Next question right here. Now we have 3 terms or 3 monomials in this polynomial, and this should be divided by this monomial. What is the way? Same. We will separate all these monomial by monomial 4y. Now, my dear, what is the next step? This 8 and 4 are both divisible by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. We have y square left here. Y square over y. See, my dear, if we have y square over y, then how you can simplify this? Y times y is y square and over y. One y got cancelled, only y is left. So in this first part, we are left with 2 upon 1 is 2 and y square upon y is y only. Next one. 4 and 24 both are divisible by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 6 is 24. Y got cancelled. We have 6 only. 2 and 4 can be divided both by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Positive 1 over 2y. This is your final answer. 2y minus 6 positive 1 over 2y. If you want to write in more simplified form, you can write that 2y minus 6 positive 1 over 2 is 0.5, and this y go up and take this form, y power minus 1. Why? Because here y power 1, if this go up, power signs got changed. So you can write this as answer or that. It's totally upon you. We have one more question. If you want to try this question by your own, just stop this video and try to solve this question. Otherwise, I'm gonna solve this. Same thing, my dear. We have this polynomial in the numerator. This is polynomial having 2 monomials. One is this and second is over here. And I want to divide this polynomial by the monomial. Same method. 2 times p square q divided by p square negative 4 times p cube times q over p square. So if you simplify this whole term, what you are gonna get? 2 q only. Why? Because p square got cancelled by p square. I am left with only 2 and q, so 2q. If you are not getting this part, let's see how did I solve this. 2 times p times q divided by p times p. This p got cancelled, this p got cancelled. What we are remained with? 2 times q. Yes, I got it. Minus. How do you simplify this? If you simplify this whole thing, you will get 4 times PQ. That's the final answer. But how did I get 4 times PQ? Let's see. 4 times P times P, one more time P and then Q, because P power 1, P power 1, P power 1 will give me P power 3 divided by P times P, because we have P square, that's why P times P. One P get cancelled, second P get cancelled, we are left with 4 times P times Q. That's it, my answer. This is the last question of this lesson video. You can try by your own. I just write everything as usual, like what you learned in the previous slides. You can stop this video and try this question by your own. For cross check, you see this answer. If I simplify the first term, I'm gonna get only 5. Why? Because m get cancelled, n get cancelled. Here m got cancelled, we have n square over n. That will give me n only. Why it's n? Because n square means n times n divided by n. One net get cancelled, I have only n left. Plus n got cancelled. Here we have m square over m. So m square over m will give me only m. Why? M square over m is equal to m times m over m. One m get cancelled, I have only m left with. That's it, my students. This is the way how you can divide one polynomial by monomial. Remember, in all these questions, we were having only one monomial in the denominator in every question. Here there was only one term. Again, there was only one monomial. Here too, check. There is only one term in the denominator. So this method is applicable only if we have monomial in the division. That's it, my dear. There is one more method to solve these kind of questions. I will upload one more video quickly on this. Thank you so much.